Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Samao. Introduction. Samao consists of a group of islands situated in the central part of the Pacific Ocean in the midst of Polynesia. New Zealand is less than 3,000 km away, and Samao and the Hawaii Islands are separated by little more than 4,000 km. Samao consists of two main islands. There is predominantly indigenous population in Samao. They are Polynesians, but it should be noted that the British people are also present. Samao is characterized by tropical climate, good hotels, and beautiful beaches. Legal site in Samao. Court of Appeal, Supreme Court, and other courts. The legal system of Samao is based on the basic principles of English common law system. The Central Bank of Samao is fully responsible for monetary policy, manages the currency reserve, governs the operation of commercial banks, and supervises the activities of Samao offshore companies. The local monetary unit in the Samao is Tala. Traditional economic orientation for the Pacific region is also characterised of Samao. This includes fishing, agriculture, as well as tourism. It is tourism that provides up to 25% of Samao's GDP. In order to stabilize the economy, the government is taking measures to develop the financial sector. How is it cost efficient to register a company in Samao? Well, political and social stability. Samao is not included in the OECD and FATF blacklists, ensuring the confidentiality of data on the owners of the business in Samao at the legislative level. Good relations with economic and financial centers of other countries. Quite affordable cost of registration and acceptable amounts of annual payments. What can a company in Samao do? Is exempted from paying taxes, can own real estate in the territory of Samao, conduct activities which involve carrying out interaction with banking institutions or insurance organizations without obtaining corresponding licenses. Build versatile business relationships with residents of Samao State. Features of a registered company in Samao. It is possible to conduct any legislature activity. Registration office and registration agent of the company have to be located in Samao. The name of the company in Samao should end with the such abbreviations as Limited, Corporation, and so on. Legislation of Samao has also special provisions stating that the official name of the company is charter, and memorandum of association do not necessarily have to be compiled in English but in any other language including Chinese dialects. The proposed authorized capital is $10 lakh. Bearer shares are not permitted. No par value shares are inadmissible. Minimum number of shares for registration of offshore company is in Samao is 1. Minimum number of directors for IC in Samao is also 1. Nominee shareholders and directors are allowed. There are so many features of a registered company in Samao. Some of these are here. You can click the pause button and read these out. Let's move to the next topic. Documents requirement. The following documents are required. The prospective customer need to provide the following documents: passport copies of beneficial owners and directors, bank reference letter certifying beneficial owners have good standing, contact information with the physical address bottom of the form. Company registration process. Each step of the registration process is outlined here. Company details, company addresses, director details, shares and shareholders details, Review. Review is the final step, and then payment. Taxation aspect in Samoa. The international companies in Samoa are entitled to conduct business outside the country as well. Although there may be restrictions in certain sectors for ICs such as trade or real estate. Income acquired offshore by an international company is not taxed, that is, it is tax exempted. International companies in Samoa are often used as holding companies for investment holding, asset protection, and also for international trade. The VAT rate in Samoa is 15% and there is no wealth tax charge. Also, there is no inheritance tax in Samoa.